Ready to earn your Massachusetts real estate license? This guide breaks down the 2026 Salesperson exam. The Massachusetts Salesperson exam is a 4-hour test with 120 scored multiple-choice questions. It's divided into 2 distinct parts: an 80-question general portion with a 150-minute time limit, and a 40-question state-specific portion with 90 minutes. To pass, you must score at least 70% on each section independently. That means getting 56 questions right on the general part and 28 right on the state part. A passive score on one doesn't make up for a failing score on the other. Before you can even schedule your exam, you must meet several key requirements. First, you need to be at least 18 years old. Next, you must complete a 40-hour pre-licensing course from a board-approved school. A critical detail is that at least 21 of these hours must be live instruction, either in person or online. You'll also need 3 candidate endorsements from individuals who are not related to you. Finally, remember that your course completion certificate is only valid for 2 years. The 80-question general portion covers national real estate principles. To study efficiently, focus on the most heavily weighted topics. Contracts are the largest, making up about 19% of this section, so master contract elements and purchase agreements. Agency relationships and the practice of real estate are next, each accounting for around 12 to 13%. Other important areas include property ownership, financing, and valuation. Don't forget to practice the math, as about 7% of questions will be calculations. The 40-question state portion is where many candidates stumble. The single most important topic is requirements governing licensees, which makes up over a third of this section. This covers advertising, commissions, and proper handling of funds. You must also know the specifics of Massachusetts fair housing law, landlord-tenant regulations, and environmental issues. A critical point of focus should be the mandatory licensee consumer relationship disclosure form, as its proper use is a frequent topic on the exam. These state rules often differ from national standards. The process is straightforward. First, complete your pre-licensing course. Then, submit your application and pay the $31 fee through the state's eLIPSE portal. Once the board approves your application, you can schedule your exam with the administrator, PSI, and pay their $54 fee. You can test at a PSI center or remotely online. On exam day, arrive early with 2 forms of valid ID. Remember, you can't bring a personal calculator, but an on-screen one will be provided. Congratulations, you passed. Your results appear on-screen immediately and a score report is emailed to you. Your next step is to log back into the eLIPSE portal to pay the pro-rated license fee. PSI does not print licenses at the test center. Once the fee is paid, your digital license will be issued within 24 hours. The final and most important step is to affiliate with a sponsoring broker, as this is required before you can legally practice real estate in Massachusetts. You now have a clear roadmap to passing the Massachusetts real estate exam, but reading about it is one thing, practicing is another. To test your knowledge and build confidence, visit openexamprep.com. There you'll find free practice questions that mirror the real exam content, helping you master both the general and state-specific topics we covered.